Of course, unahin natin ang side of the group. Everyone, sila po ay ang naging haligi ni Jason sa kanyang paglaki. That's why, ito si Jason ngayon in front of all of us, now married to Janet. I would like to call on the parents of Jason. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Mr. and Mrs. Ernesto Malalang for their very special message.
Good evening. I'm very good in delegating, so before anything else, before I give the microphone to my wife, I'd like to say, Janet, welcome to the family, your family as well. And my good wife, message.
For her. Good evening or good afternoon, everybody. First and foremost, I want to thank everybody for witnessing the marriage vows and joining Mr. and Mrs. Ernest Jason Galala in their first meal as husband and wife. Special thanks goes to our principal sponsors, whom they specifically handpicked, not because of your financial stature, but because you have been a role model to them. You have been successful in your careers and stayed happily married for several years. Also, I would like to thank Mr. President Ivo, who's celebrating his birthday today. He had his party yesterday just to be with us today. Also, my cousin who flew from Malaysia just to be with us today. Maraming salamat po. I know many of you will relate. As a parent, you can relate to my feelings. No? When I was told at first of the wedding plans,
you cried.
It was not easy for me because, as you know, Jason is our only son. It's not about the wedding. Definitely it's not about the bride. It's all about me. It's letting go. But Jason proved to me and showed me how he loves Janet, and he was really very determined to marry Janet. So Janet, Jason loves you very much, and I can assure you that the love of Jason, we will also give it to you. Welcome to the family. Okay. But marriage, there are no perfect marriage, no? But there have been successful marriages, and I can only, if you can only follow two rules, which I can share with you. Rule number one is unconditionally accept each other's imperfections. And rule number two, continuously forgive each other's infractions. Again, before I leave, I just want to make one very important announcement. Friends, family, I now have a daughter.
Okay, thank you so much.
Ngayong gabi po, celebrate natin ang napakaganda.
ni Kuya Jason, ni Ate Janet. Itong toast ko na to, para po sa kanilang dalawa. For their blissful life in marriage. For the little Jason and the little Janet running around your happy home. For prosperity, long life, and especially happiness. And most importantly, for love. Raise your glasses, everyone. Cheers.
Cheers. Kampai. Kampai.
Alright. Maraming salamat. Your word, I would like to give the floor to the newlyweds for their message to everyone. Let's all give them a round of applause.
Okay, on behalf of my wife, Janet. My wife. Anyway, I'd like to thank everyone who came all the way to our wedding. Through rain or shine, shows talaga na really support our marriage. We'd like to thank our parents also, Mama, Papa, Daddy, Mami. Daddy na ako, bago Mami na ako. Okay. And nabibiyak na ako. Yes. So, we'd also like to thank our friends who supported us since day one of our preparations. We also like to thank special thanks also to Sophie's mom for our actually ninongs and ninangs and all of our friends actually. Masyado madami, hindi ko na kaya say. So, yun, thank you and God bless.
Okay. Thank you very much. Panghuling pagbati na bukod sa mga na-mention nila, I personally would like to thank, of course, the couple for this very wonderful occasion. And I'm sure all of us enjoyed to be part of your very special day. And just for everyone's information, Janet and Jason po, they started as friends. They began in IBM, right? And now they are raising their family together. And we just wish you good luck, good health, and keep God in the midst of your relationship always, kasi that will be your strength, whatever comes through your way. Diba? And to all of you who are here, thank you so much. IBMers, sino pa? The family, of course, of Jason and Janet, the principal sponsors, the whole entourage, friends of Jason and Janet, thank you for gracing this occasion tonight. For those friends who flew from other countries just to be with them, maraming salamat. Ito po ay isang okasyon na napaka-special at laging magiging part of our memories and we will cherish, diba? So maraming salamat. Congratulations, Jason and Janet. God bless you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming. Good evening.